As the sun dips below the horizon, a wise voice echoes through the ages. The teachings of Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king. He beckons us to retreat within ourselves, to find solace in the serenity of our own souls. For it is there, amidst the chaos of the external world, that true peace resides. The great Stoic master imparts 7 nightly rituals to center our minds and nourish our spirits. First, he urges us to unplug from the incessant buzz of technology and disconnect from external stimuli. Only by turning inward can we tune into our authentic selves. Next, he reminds us that a sound mind resides in a sound body. The practice of exercise fortifies both physical and mental resilience. With mindful reflection on our day's journey, we gain deeper self-awareness to steer our lives in more purposeful directions. Aurelius then encourages us to feast on knowledge, whether from books or engaging our curious minds in learning new skills. And we mustn't neglect to nurture our most cherished relationships through quality time with loved ones. As the night winds down, we're advised to count our blessings and practice gratitude, for happiness blossoms from appreciating life's small joys. Finally, we prepare our minds and bodies for restorative slumber through soothing rituals, ensuring we awaken rejuvenated for a new day's adventures.